The 7 natural wonders of the world. Humans gave us the most impressive creation by demonstrating the 7 wonders of world. But we all know that Mother Nature is a real architect of all time, and the 7 natural wonders of the world are the proof of that creation. Natural is always better than artificial. Naturally occurring places are really breathtaking beauty. It is surprising as there is so much to admire in these natural wonders. Still, people continue to limit their list of wonders. So, here is a perfect bucket list for you, from African deserts to European volcanoes, that can be experienced across the globe. So, let's have a look. The Grand Canyon. World famous Grand Canyon is located in the USA. It is an astonishing 227 miles long, 18 meters wide, and a mile deep. It was formed over time by the unstoppable river Colorado. Scientists estimated that the river carved its path more than 17 million years ago. The Grand Canyon is a popular tourist destination. A distant glimpse of this majestic sight is enough to give memories for a lifetime. Harbor of Rio de Janeiro. The stunning beauty harbor of Rio de Janeiro is located in Brazil. It is about 19 miles long. It is the world's largest harbor, surrounded by granite mountains, hills, and hundreds of dotted islands. The locals are as proud of their beautiful country as they believe that God made the world in 6 days and on the 7th He created Rio. And believe me, that's true. Rio de Janeiro is really beautiful if you are a nature lover. This place is definitely for you. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is a globally recognized landmark of Australia. When you will see it, you will believe it. It consists of approximately 3,000 individual reefs and almost 1,000 islands spreading for over 1,400 miles. While the Great Wall of China is often mistakenly described as being visible from space, but astronauts and satellites have also said that they have captured images of the barrier reef too. Lots of work has been done to ensure that the delicate ecosystem of the reef is preserved for the future. If you want to explore underwater world, this wonder is the place for you. Mount Everest. At 29,035 feet tall, Mount Everest is ranked first among all the mountains for both elevation and prominence. Earthquake in Nepal in 2015 is believed to have clipped the mountain's height, and now it is roughly about 29,029 feet. Today, climbing Everest is no longer quite the unassailable goal that it once was. But for those who are looking forward to do this adventure, still have to be in peak physical condition and take great risks in undergoing the venture. Climbing the mountain remains one of the greatest feats of man and is hugely popular challenge and passion. Northern Lights, also known as Aurora. The aurora, also known as Northern Lights in the north and australis in the south, is caused by the collision of solar winds with Earth's magnetosphere. You can view an aurora from many different locations around the world. Higher the latitude, the more clearly you can see them. It creates vivid colors to be painted across the night sky. Paricutin Volcano. Paricutin Volcano is located in Mexico and is famous for its bizarre history. It was earlier a cornfield in 1943, and then in the span of a year it grew to the height of 11,475 feet. When volcano eruption took place in 1952, its peak measured a whopping of about 9,210 feet. The villages around it are buried in lava, and only a church bell tower came out from the rock. After 19 years now, it is not expected to erupt again, and it creates a unique view to the eyes. The Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is on the border of Jordan and Israel. It is one of the saltiest water bodies in the world. It is so salty that if you will take a dip in that water, then no microscopic organisms will be left on your body. It was one of the world's first health resorts and has supplied a variety of products across the borders. However, it's receding at an alarming rate. So these are the 7 natural wonders of the world. Do let us know which one you like the most and planning to visit soon. Press the bell icon for more amazing updates in the world.